Good morning, welcome to Triple E YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see about problems based on source transformation technique. The problem is a circuit is shown in below figure. Find the current I by reducing the circuit to the right of the terminals XY to its simplest form using source transformation. The circuit is shown in figure. Circuit is consisting of two voltage sources, three resistors, and the current where you have to find out through 5 ohm resistor. XY terminal also is mentioned here, X and Y. This is a X, Y, and so current I we have to find out. So what you have to do? So transfer 30 ohm resistor in series with 3 volts source into current source. So voltage source you have to convert into current source. So this is how we have to convert so voltage source into current source. So here now I'll show here. So here we are converting voltage source into current source. So once if you convert into current source, so current source will be parallel to the resistor 30 ohm here. So next one, these two resistors, these 30 ohm and 20 ohm resistors are in parallel. So here see 30 ohm and 20 ohm resistors are parallel. Now we convert into single resistor. So convert into single resistor, so that is equal to 12 ohm. Now here 0.1 ohm and this 12 ohm resistors are what way? So these resistors are, now it is in current source. So now we convert this one into voltage source. Voltage source by using source transformation technique. Now 12 into 0.1 and 12 ohm will be converted into series. I will show next diagram. Now 12 into 0.1, that is 1.2 volts, and 12 ohm resistor will come. Now 12 ohm and 5 ohm, how it is? In series. Now apply KVL to the above loop. So 5i, so here you will get 5i plus 12i plus 1.2 volts and minus 5 volts is equal to 0. Simplify that one. 17i is equal to 3.5, 3.8 you will get. Now calculate the I value. So this is the I value. So what is the current flowing in the 5 ohm resistor is 0.224 amperes. So this is the one problem. We will move on to another problem. Find current I1 using source transformation for the circuit shown in below figure. Now, so see the circuit. Here current sources are there. Two current sources are there. So this is one current source. So this is also another current source. Convert into voltage source. Convert into voltage source by using source transformation technique. Here, so coming to this one, 1.1 milliampere into 47 kilo ohm, that is a voltage. 47 kilo ohm will comes series. Here 20 milliamperes into 10 kilo ohms, that is also one voltage source. So 10 kilo ohm will convert into series to the voltage source. So I will show in this next figure. So like this you will get. So by converting the current source into voltage source, you will get the circuit like this. Now how the circuit is? Circuit is looks like a series circuit. Now the circuit is a series circuit. Entire this is the circuit. These all elements are connected series with this 200 volts voltage source and 47 volts voltage source. Now apply KVL to the above circuit. So we will start from 47 kilo ohm. 47 kilo into I1, that is 1. Next here dependent source is there. It's not independent. So dependent sources are mentioned in which symbol? That is the symbols are mentioned in diamond shape. Minus 4I1 plus 3.3 kilo ohm is there, right? So here 3.3 plus 10 will become one single resistor. So that is one single resistor, 13.3 kilo ohm into I1. Next one plus, so first symbol is plus 200 plus 47 equal to 0. So simplify this one, I1 you will get minus 4.096 milliamperes. So this is the answer for the question, right? So next one more problem we will see here. Use source transformation to find the current I0. Use source transformation, find the current I0 in the circuit. So now see this one, 12 volts and 4 volt is a one voltage source, and 24 volts and 6 volts is a one voltage source. So this is a one voltage source. So this is also one voltage source. Convert into current source by using source transformation technique. So after converting voltage sources into current sources, so we will get circuit like this. So this is a one current source. So we are converted from the voltage source. Now we can observe this one, right? Now the circuit is having parallel resistance. So this is the one parallel combination, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and here also one parallel combination, 3 amperes and 6 amperes. So convert into single current source and convert into single resistance. Okay, now so the resistance value is 2 ohm and current is 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 amperes we will get. Now what is the current sources are there in circuit? So this is the one current source. So this is the another current source, right? So 4 ohm is parallel to the 3 amperes. There is a one current source, and 2 ohm is parallel to the 4 amperes. So there is also one more current source in the circuit. Convert into voltage source. So voltage 12 volts and voltage 8 volts. So after converting into voltage sources, so circuit will be looks like this. Circuit will be looks like this. So see the circuit. After seeing the circuit, now 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm are is which combination? So these are in series combination. Series combination. Now apply KVL to the circuit. Apply KVL to the above circuit. So after applying the KVL, so 2 I0 plus 2 I0 minus 8 plus 12 plus 4 I0 equal to 0. This is in one equation we will get. So simplify this equation. 8 I0 is equal to minus 4. So I0 is equal to minus 0.5 amperes will get. So I0 value is how much? Minus 0.5 amperes. So this is some of the problems based on source transformation technique. So next we will move on to the mesh analysis and node analysis. So these mesh analysis and node analysis are used to simplify the complex circuit. KVL and KCL you can use for simple circuit. Mesh and node analysis are used for complex circuits solving, right? So next video we will see the what is a mesh analysis, what is a node analysis, and what is a super mesh analysis, super node analysis, and also some problems. So we'll see next videos. Okay, thank you everyone. Right.